Capture that perfect shot and share it instantly with this simple guide to getting your Nikon D5600 photos onto your phone. First, you'll need to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Nikon D5600. Navigate to the Setup menu, usually represented by a wrench icon, and find the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Ensure both are turned on. Next, download and install the SnapBridge app from your phone's app store. This is Nikon's official app for seamless photo transfer. Once installed, open SnapBridge. Now, on your D5600, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and select Connect to a smart device. Follow the on-screen prompts on your camera, which will likely ask you to select your desired connection method, typically auto or manual. Your camera will then search for your smartphone on your phone. Open the SnapBridge app, and it should detect your D5600. Tap to pair the devices. You might see a confirmation code on both screens. Ensure they match and confirm the pairing. Once paired, the SnapBridge app will display thumbnails of the photos and videos stored on your Nikon D5600. You can then select the images you want to transfer by tapping on them. After selecting your desired files, tap the Download or Transfer button within the SnapBridge app. The photos and videos will wirelessly transfer to your phone. You can usually find them in your phone's gallery or within a dedicated SnapBridge folder. If you encounter issues, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Also, try restarting both your camera and your phone, and then reattempt the pairing process. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your memories from your Nikon D5600 to your phone, ready to be shared with the world.